Okay, I just want to show you how I use this free software called Meshmixer to create MSE appliances for my patients. I've been doing this digitally for the last several months and I think it's working pretty well. And what it allows us to do is to plan along with the CBCT where best to position the appliance. So we need to start by opening the model and deleting any extra data we don't need, so that we can make a 3D printable file. Okay, so once we've done that, we need to select the boundary and press B on the keyboard, accept, press T, press T on the keyboard and extrude. So once we're happy with that, we plane cut down below. So next we need to append an index of the MSE. So select this in the object browser, press T on the keyboard, and now we can position the index. So once we're happy with positioning the index, we can check whether there's enough bone in these areas to place the screws. So if we open up the CBCT and compare the position of the mini screws to the CBCT, so these anterior screws are placed, looks like, between the 4 and 5s. So we can move and check the slices, so we have enough bone anteriorly, and posteriorly we can check that. Looks like it's placed in the middle of the 6, and there's not a whole lot of bone in that area, but just enough to place the mini screw. We can move further anteriorly. If we need to. Yeah, looks like there's a little bit of better bone in this area. So once we're happy, we can we need to trim the soft tissue so that we can place a wide enough screw. So we'll press the sculpt and the drag button, and then we drag the tissue away. Okay, so once we're happy with that, we need to combine both objects. So now both objects are combined, and we can print this as it is, or we can hollow it to save some resin and to reduce the printing time. Okay, so once we're happy with that, it's it hollowed. So we don't even need the anterior or posterior sections. Okay, so that's it, we're ready to go. The same patient has already had her appliance made, and just want to show you that. She's a 20-year-old female. Tendency to a posterior crossbite. So that's the appliance fitted. And she got a diastema, and this is at the end of expansion. So that's it, thank you.